Hi everyone, welcome back to Top Compared. Today, I will be introducing to you the top 5 best screwdrivers for PC building. Making a PC is so much fun, and cool at the same time. I recently tried my hands at making one. I brought some of the pieces that I liked, and here is the video about a detailed review of all the screwdrivers that I used. I am starting from the last in the list, and the product is the Nanch screwdriver for PC building. The screwdriver's bits fit perfectly, and are tight enough so that you don't round off the screws. The finishing of this screwdriver is top-notch. The kit from Nanch is perfect for repairing phones and computers. The handle is built solid enough. The fourth product is the Gearwrench dual material screwdriver. If you are a heavy machine mechanic, then this 20-piece set is apt for you. The handles are perfect for high torque, and the grip is just excellent. It has an innovative dual material handle, for your best comfort. This kit comes with a lifetime guarantee. The third product is the Cremax magnetic screwdriver. This kit from Cremax has a professional touch on it. You even get a nice set of replaceable driver bits. The build-up of the handle is pretty strong, and has a good grip. This kit also comes with a magnetizer. The second product is the Ezarc screwdrivers, for PC building. This kit is very durable, and built precisely. It has a magnetic screwdriver handle, and is quick and easy to install. A mini magnetizer is also included in this kit. It comes in an aluminium box, compact design, and comfortable to hold. The final product is the Jakemy cordless electric screwdriver. It has excellent speed, and if you have a lot of screws to remove, this is the right product. The tool head is compatible with all types of bits for mini screwdrivers. You can use up to 18 security bits on this screwdriver. This is a cordless screwdriver, and is rechargeable. My pick from all the mentioned screwdrivers is the Jakemy cordless electric screwdriver. A cordless, uniquely designed screwdriver with great speed will help build a PC or any low-torque work. I have attached the product links in the description box below. Please like and share the video if you find it informative. Also, subscribe to our channel to get more videos from us. Thank you.